Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a kid's drone from SANROCK. I paid about $25 on Amazon for it, so I'm just going to be opening it up real quick and seeing what's inside, and in a later video I'll be doing a more extensive review on it to see how it flies, the features that it has, and if I think it's worth going out and purchasing it. But right now we're just going to open this bad boy up and see what it comes with. Alright, so here we go. The top, and as soon as you open it up, you see the drone right there. It's a cool little thing. So, it's super light. Alright, the next thing we got feels like the controller. Yep. So if you look, it's a nice little controller there. Joysticks feel cool, except they stick. I'm not really sure if they're supposed to do that or if it's just defective. We'll find out later. A cool little controller. Alright, looks like we got a couple other things in here. So this looks like it is the charger for the battery. And also it looks like you get these little tools maybe for the props. Or, you know, for adjusting maybe the way it flies or whatever. So there's tools, and we have a bunch of spare props, so those will come in handy. I'm sure I'll be crashing this thing all over the living room. And also you get a little battery in here. I think it comes with two. All right, so there's one actually in the drone, and then you get a spare one here. So at least you get two batteries, so you know when one is charging, you can fly it around with the other one. Well, that's it. That's all that was inside the box, except actually we have manuals here. I almost forgot. So we have one user manual and another user manual. I'm not really sure what language that's in, but you get two manuals with this. So, but that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for my next video to see how this thing flies. But in the meantime, stay safe, and peace out.